Guys, can we run this engine on seafoam motor treatment? That's right, with no gasoline. We're going to try to run this engine. Well, stick around and find out, because I have something really cool to show you guys. Will seafoam destroy our engine? As you can see, there's definitely something wrong. Now, we'll add our seafoam motor treatment to the fuel tank. And as you can see, we've installed a see-through fuel tank. This way you guys can see exactly what's going inside the tank. And we've taken the old fuel tank off of this mower. If you have something that you would like to see us use as fuel, well, just subscribe to the channel and comment below. Let me know what you want to see next used for fuel. Moment of truth. Will seafoam start on the first pull? Since this engine wouldn't start, we're just going to take some starting fluid and maybe try to start it this way. It'll help warm the engine up as well. I continuously try to start this mower, adjusting the carburetor and the throttle. As it carries on, we finally start to come to a good conclusion. As day turns to night, we finally start to have some success, and I don't have to use starting fluid. Now it's finally running without my assistance, and I'm ready to see just how well this seafoam's going to do. Is it going to destroy the engine? I've heard some good and really bad things, and I showed you guys a quick clip of earlier what just happened. You're not going to believe it. And this is how I choked down the throttle, just with a piece of cardboard. Whoa, this looks like some sort of flamethrower. What have we done to our engine? Man, you're not believing this. After what you've seen, plus what you're about to see, you tell me, have I destroyed this engine? You think it's damaged? Or is it possible to run a car on seafoam? Well, I definitely would not recommend it. And here's the other adjustments I made to the carburetor and throttle. Thank you guys for watching Nate's Interactive Auto.